Want to know how to download and install Snake.io on Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Play Store on your Android. And once you've done that, here you should be seeing your search button. Just simply select it and select the search bar. And now once you've done that, here you should be seeing Snake.io. You can just simply search up for it, Snake.io. And on the first result right here, you should be seeing snake.io. Just simply select it to see more of its results. So you can just simply scroll up and down to see more of its results. And once you're done, just simply select install right here. And you're good to go. And that's it. After a while, your Snake.io should install. And until then, you can just see its reviews, its description, and much more. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.